Actually. Actually means really, in fact, or in truth. Actually, a lot of people pronounce this word with too much movement of lips. Today I can share with you the easy way to say this word. First of all, it starts with ack. Then the CH sound ch. Or you can even replace it with SH sound sh. So it's act. Like you sneeze, act. Then there is li. There's the schwa sound and li. Can you put them together? Actually. Actually, it's not that hard. You don't even have to move your lips. Just make sure you open your mouth wide for That's it. Thanks for listening.